If you need to refund a GoDaddy domain, this video will walk you through the process step by step, so you know exactly what to do and what to expect. The most important thing to understand right away is that domain refunds are not always available, and timing matters. In many cases, you must cancel the domain within 5 days of registration or within 45 days of an auto-renewal to be eligible for a refund. So before you do anything else, check when the domain was purchased or renewed. If you're outside that window, GoDaddy may not approve the refund. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. First, sign into your GoDaddy account and go to your My Products page. This is where all of your domains and other purchases are listed. Find the domain you want to refund and make sure it's the correct one, especially if you have more than one domain in your account. Once you've confirmed it, remove or delete the domain from your My Products page if that option is available. This is an important step because GoDaddy typically expects the domain to be canceled before the refund request is processed. After that, you need to contact GoDaddy support directly. This is very important. Refund requests are usually handled through chat or phone support, not by email. So if you were planning to send a message by email, that generally won't work for this process. To find the contact options, scroll to the bottom of the GoDaddy website and look for the Contact Us button in the footer section. Click that, and you should be taken to their support page, where you can choose chat or phone support. When you reach support, explain that you want to request a refund for a domain, and be ready to provide the domain name, your account details, and the reason for the request. Keep your explanation clear and polite, and mention that you canceled the domain and are asking for a refund within the eligible time period. The support agent may review your account and confirm whether your request qualifies based on their refund policy. If everything is approved, they'll guide you through the next steps, and the refund will be processed back to your original payment method. If it's not approved, they'll usually explain why, such as the domain being outside the refund window. So the key takeaway here is simple. Act quickly, remove the domain from My Products, and contact GoDaddy support by chat or phone as soon as possible. That gives you the best chance of getting your refund processed successfully. If this video was useful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more quick how-to guides.